Ashanti for say ye Igbo king ye ni Igbo king waha otumfo na ye king ono anko na ye king ye ni
le emphasis o enti se amoche se mu ni Igbo king bia ho ohene baako pe
ye nim any king bia Ashanti region apart from otumfo.
Okay.
Except maybe sub chief now maybe Bantu Mahini de
yeah, just but the kingdom say
yes,
ye wura baako pe
kingdom na otumfo nkwa na kingdom ye ni.
Okay.
Ye ni Igbo king.
Okay.
Ashanti region.
Okay.
Yes, so ye ni sa plan no say kokura 10 years 20 years 30 years kura there ye ni sa agenda no ni ye book no kura me na me ye general secretary no nti ye nyente na seda aka sa asam no say bia 30 years 40 years no there ye create sa kingdom no nti ye wa Ashanti region no there is not our business.
Okay.
We are not part of it.
Okay. Let's put it on record. Pause there. Let's put it on record. The Ghana Traditional Council has released a statement. Almost you should stop calling himself like Igbo King and I think it's in order. Thank you, the Ghana Traditional Council. Ningo Pram for also issue statement. Minister of Interior, deport this guy. Deport him.
I also papa no ni lineage bia. Na me permit it say say Sadia nam yamani no ya no e cover up. Yes, sa ne kinship no war pending yamaniam e cover up for kakaka na e koso ase.
Keep watching Exp0sed, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi Xposed. The name is Bambrose. Subscribe, share, me to my now on sa Akabi. Igbo king why no self-style king na masa one nam e kwanso na asem na eguso. Now when you interview Igbo for block mass when no Igbo president, because the president na enya president we Muhammad Denbiu. We say assembly to Nigeria for no heso. Was say the man he's not a king o. Was only royal lineage go. We Nigeria for kasa no mo kasa yen ko tinima.
Martins Chukwude.
Yes, the president of all Nigeria community
in Ashanti
region.
Oh, wow.
As well as Igbo community president.
Igbo community president.
Ashanti region.
And the president for the whole Ashanti region, all Nigerian communities.
Exactly.
And you are the Igbo president in Ashanti region. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. My own name is Mr. Okoli Obinna. I am the General Secretary of NUTAG, Nigerian Union Traders Association of Ghana.
Okay, Nigerian Union of Traders Association of Ghana.
Ghana, yes.
Okay,
please.
okay. So you are the General Secretary.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. Ashanti region. Oh, okay. Obinike. So okay, Chairman. So let's talk. Why here this morning? The whole Ashanti man is listening to you. You can speak to you at all.
Don't worry. My friend can do
it. Okay. So your people are listening. We are listening to you.
All right. Over 2 weeks now, there has been a news circulating on the social media.
Okay.
I think the group is they say Ashanti Defense Group.
Yeah.
As well as Ashanti Youth Security Organization.
Yeah.
They made a lot of allegations against Nigerians in Ghana, especially the Igbos in Ashanti region.
The Igbos, okay.
Yes. You see, we cannot fold our hands while such allegations are made against us.
Okay.
Because you can't tag Nigeria as a nation, as a criminal country. You see, because even in Nigeria or Ghana here, we have good.
Yeah, of course, there are good people
we have good people there.
Okay.
So when you say Nigerians, maybe they cited the prostitution, they cited crimes, they cited the Eze.
And the one who said
in Accra,
who said
who they say wanted to build a kingdom.
Yeah, okay.
In Ghana, just to culturally to colonize the
Igbo people.
Exactly. You see, so we can't fold our hands. We have to react and to tell the general public that we know nothing of such nation.
Okay, that you are not part of it.
We are not part of it. Let's set the record straight.
Of course.
That when Chuks, Jude Henetu, was installed in 2012. 2012.
Okay.
Ashanti region made it categorically clear that we are not part of this solution.
So when he was installed as an Igbo chief in Ashanti region in Ghana, you people made it clear that you are not part of it.
We are not part of it.
Those in Ashanti region.
Those in Ashanti region.
So he can't rule over you people.
So he can't rule over us.
Okay.
So we have gone too far to make sure that he does not have any domain,
Okay.
any kingdom in
Ashanti
Ashanti region here.
Of course.
So we said the record is straight.
Okay.
Yes. And secondly, when you come to the crime, according to the group,
Yeah, prostitution and other things.
prostitution and other things, for crimes, the law set itself very, very straight on crimes.
Sure.
When you catch an individual, maybe who commits crime, the law of Ghana is straight on any crime committed. You see, and that's for the prostitution too. It is as old as what can I
The oldest trade so
as,
far.
as man,
Yeah.
the creation of man. You see, so if the law frowns on prostitution, let the law take its
course.
effect on
Sure.
it.
Sure.
But what we are not even happy the way our young girls are trooping into Ghana here for prostitution.
Sure.
And we, as a community in Ashanti region, are doing too much about
Of
it
course, I can
to
testify
make sure that
to that.
we minimize
Yeah,
the rate.
yeah,
Not to
yeah.
stop it, but to minimize the rate at which they troop here. I think I've come to Yoruba here.
Oh, of course, of course.
Once, yes,
Yeah.
when they had problems with
Yeah.
maybe the madams and
Yeah.
so on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, I've come about 2 times just to speak on this prostitution issue. So it's still lingering. So why we come is if we do not maybe react to this, when a finger gets oil, it will extend to others.
Exactly.
So as it is lingering now, if we don't do something about it, maybe tomorrow it will start at
Accra.
maybe Accra. Then it start at other regions.
Other regions, sure. Sure.
As for the king, the problem we have is when Chuks said he is the king of the Igbos, he goes as far as other regions installing chiefs. Installing chiefs. You see? So when you are the king, I have to let me say in the Igbo setting, when you say you are king, a king must have a territory.
Of course.
A territory. King is not an honorary title
Exactly.
given to any man.
Exactly. You need to have a territory, of course.
Yes, it must be done according to the culture and tradition.
Of course.
There is the Apex Socio-Cultural Organization in southeastern part of Nigeria. That is called the Igbos.
Okay.
That organization is called Ohaneze.
Okay.
They are made up of all the traditional rulers in the eastern part of Nigeria. In 2024, they had a meeting at Umuahia, abolishing this kingship in diaspora.
Oh, okay. So they've abolished it.
They have abolished it.
No other countries.
Yes, in
Okay.
other countries,
Okay.
apart from Igbo territories.
Okay.
That's the southeast.
Southeast, okay. Only in their territory.
Yes,
So you
only
cannot
their
build
territory.
any other kingdom
Because
outside.
an Esa must
Yeah.
be installed by his community,
Okay.
not diasporan kings or something like that.
Sure.
So these people adopted, this group adopted the Igbo leaders, Ndindu Igbos, Ndindu Igbo,
Okay.
meaning Igbo leaders,
Okay.
Igbo community leaders. And who says that Igbo community leaders cannot achieve anything in diaspora? We have community leaders in Ashanti region,
Okay.
and that is how we operate.
Okay.
I am the president of the Igbo
So
community.
you don't operate as a king because you know we have one
Yes.
respected king.
We have elders in our
Yeah,
midst.
of course, you have
we have
elders.
patrons in our midst. We have other things.
Sure.
Yes, if we want to go to Tufo, we organize ourselves.
Okay.
If we want to meet Menshia Council of Chiefs, we organize ourselves.
Now you meet them.
And you see, this installation of sub-chiefs in other regions helps to disintegrate
Sure.
the Igbo communities. Because once we create it, it is not palatable to some of the people.
Exactly.
It will create
Problems, a lot.
factions among the Igbos. So we say no to that.
Okay.
We say no to that. And that is why we are here to tell at least the Ashanti youths that we in Ashanti regions are law-abiding citizens.
Okay.
If few of us who are miscreants, they misbehave or they go against the law, let the law take
The Lord deal
itself.
with them. Okay. Therefore, you've really spoken well, and I believe you give reference to our king, that that you pay a homage to our great king, of course. I believe you do that.
Yeah.
Oh,
The Igbo community in Ashanti, you pay
when
homage to our
the
king.
24 had the
25th anniversary. Yeah,
yes,
25th
that's right.
anniversary.
We were there.
Okay.
We
so
were
pay
recognized.
homage to the king.
Yes, we were recognized with our community leaders.
Okay. Okay. So there's nothing like kingdom here.
There's nothing like
Okay.
kingdom here.
So if they are doing their thing, they should do it elsewhere, not in Ashanti region. Okay, Obidike.
Nana yao.
BTO. But president has something to fight.
Sa.
Aye, and I hope me come bro.
Men catch trigger.
Aye, can you prefer?
Okay, Nana yao. Once more, as my Igbo president has said for Ashanti region, when say last time Efreo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Near Eka, Sabi Ashawo for one.
Yes.
And therefore, some of Kaya Mribi near the Ashawo for one combo because Nigeria youth president we have 1 year. One to meet Chichi Omuniano the Mount Migration, a 2 years Cassian for Munya de Enco. And the air banning in our no more morning you into the Nigerian community in Ashanti region. Or more Quachu Munianum said there be a penny, a 2 years Casso Munya de Yen Sam for Monko, be or Madame Foy, or Moko for Mubano, or Moani Madame Fonco said Debbie, we don't like this. Into a more side 2 years go, say Yen Sam for Monko, or more Moyare, or more Yakacho Munan, or more Copre, saying so. A idea, or Mutu one where the mere many master, Papa eat the premier, Mia or the sending videos near Namu Mutu. So, just in the local migration one, or more collaboration with migration. But they are doing so well. Obi give me deal.
Yeah, Nana yao. Who would say, a friend saying, ye bagana, say be do jack
No crap.
I acquire room, and I answer.
No crap.
But I didn't CCC, I didn't pay CCC, and in June. Yempekra. Because last time I'm Efreo, the catcher plane say, no, every week we not have any problem. I shall work for underage. We say. The association here, Womra,
No crap.
Yechiwa, Inja, what a crowd you mean, I know they are in found. What do I make an answer? So, what a crowd you mean, I know, as far as the watching bride, they found, you better police and immigration and a baby, I be do a copy, I do a copy.
Okay.
On the time, your collaboration with the police for fire immigration for a normal.
Okay.
So, reason why I'm afraid to say, by any say, we are almost on there. Miss Afro, Miss Afro, chief for a group for normal kind say, not unlike any king in Aspra.
Okay.
Chief Nube, on try Anambra State, maybe over about Nigeria, they on try Undru Delta State, Undru Lagos. Ube Igbo king there, not chief there, Igbo side no be. So, but this one they almost can't say meaning because Nkoya king there, Nkataya no tune for your 25 years anniversary in Kobeba.
No crap.
Oh, but you call because of sometimes you have meeting with House of Chiefs. That time 25 years in it. You catch on place say you need no. Untimimbaha and that time you need the umbaha. So Ashanti for say ye Igbo king ye ni Igbo king waha otumfo na ye king ono ankwa na ye king ye ni
Lay emphasis on and to see how much I say Muni Igbo king bia or any back up
ye nim any king be Ashanti region apart from Otumfo.
Okay.
Except maybe sub chief now maybe Bantuma any the
Yeah. Just
but
the kingdom say
yes.
you grab back up.
kingdom na Otumfo nkwa na kingdom ye ni.
Okay.
Ye ni Igbo king
Okay.
Ashanti region.
Okay.
Ono tira na ye bai.
Nana yao, the way now me president menu se kai no
Okay.
yenim ohene bia or for Igbo community dia yeni bi wo hanum
Okay.
ana yeso yenye plan bia say ye be create sa kingdom no mo church wa akra no yeni sa plan no wa Ashanti region no wa haya no nti sa demonstration no on be start Saturday or the fine there omaka but yeso there ye ba betche o mo say nti sa kingdom no mo say ya create Igbo village na dey say anya Ashanti region haya
Okay.
yes so ye ni sa plan no say kokura 10 years 20 years 30 years kura there ye ni sa agenda no ni ye book no kura me na me ye general secretary no nti ye nyente na seda aka sa asam no say bia 30 years 40 years no there ye create sa kingdom no nti ye wa Ashanti region no there is not our business.
Okay.
We are not part of it.
Okay.
So please, I will plead on my Ghanaian friends. Let them also understand we are doing a lot of job here to contend a lot of guys, not just a shower for also. Bem also I create crime. No, no there. Just sometimes we go to them, we'll gather them, give them to immigration, and send them back home. Not only the girls, the guys also. I heard a lot of them are staying in some different kind of area B you cannot even enter. But most times we do bring them together, send them back to Nigeria. We have been here, many of us have been here for over 30 years. Some of us are married to even Ghanaians. If they spoil here for us, where do we go? What do we do with our case? So because of that, we have come to debunk such a very news, flying that the Igbo community want to create a kingdom and a village. How can we create a village here? Are we no longer foreigners? We can never create any kingdom here. That is what we want the public to understand. We are here as a foreigners who maintain our business very lawfully. A lot of them can testify where we stay is all around. They can testify that, Charlie, these guys have been a good guy here. On my own page, you see a lot of Ghanaians. So we have known you for many years. You have been a good guy here. So I don't know why some people will just wake up and say they want to create a kingdom and they want to do all of these things. That is not we, please. Just like my president have directed before that we don't have any king outside Igbo land. Until me pacho wadaro magana for. I'm begging you guys to understand these very facts. Because when you say Nigeria, you are tagging all of us as one.
Which is wrong.
Which is very, very wrong. There are a lot of us helping to contribute to the economy of this nation. I'm not bragging about it, but that's the fact.
Of course.
You can also make away with it. So please, that is our stand.
Okay. Jeff, I will just, because before I make leave of you, what do you have to say? So that.
Well, Nana, still on this SND saga, you can see that the government is doing something about it. I think on Monday he was arrested. You see, and he was accompanied by a representative of Nigeria Commission. Yes, he went there and he was released on health grounds. So I think the Ghana security agents, they are doing something seriously about it. So if you violate the law of the land, let the law take its effect.
Of course.
Then if you should be allowed to operate, it is the law who can say that.
Of course.
But the door that is closed in Accra cannot spoil my finger in Kumasi here.
Exactly.
That's what I'm saying.
I agree with you.
You see? And secondly, when you are talking about this prostitution, as the group says, everywhere prostitution, Nigerians are prostitutes. When you go to all the areas, remote areas in Ghana, you see all of them. All the Galamsey areas. Who provides land for them? Are they not Ghanaians? They cannot prostitute on air. They can't erect their brothels on air.
It's on lands.
It's on lands. And who provides the lands for them?
Of course.
So you can see that one we might be working, others might be gaining. So, and you see, but this is why it is very, very hard for prostitution to stop. But it has to be minimized. Let's all hands be on deck. If it is not palatable to Ghanaians, if it's not as it is not palatable to us, let's join hands together and fight the cankerworm.
Anyway,
you see, and they pass through the borders too. They pass through Nigerian territorial zones. They pass through the water. We have security agents there. We have police there. We have other things. We have immigration there.
How do
they come?
Which means who allows them?
Every day you get about 20, 30, 40 coming in only in Kumasi.
So your effort is being thwarted.
We don't know those ones.
The more you try to send some back, you send 20, 40 comes in.
Exactly. That's what we are saying. So I plead that they should not be given soft landing. Because when you give them soft landing, more and more will come.
I agree.
I also need papa no won ni lineage bia. Na me permit it say saa de na nyama ni no ye no e cover up. Yes saa ne kinship no wo pedi nyama nyam e cover up for kakaka na e koso ase. Eno ya allegedly because it hasn't improved. But Ghana wo ho. You do pempensu bi I say very careful about the people that we are bringing in. They be am dey make say Nigeria for we wo ho. Omom krom fufu kra pempe o masemo. Ghana, there be a borders no. It is high time I you say Who you all now bah and so who say so you all you've been here for 30 years or so does not make you a Ghanaian. Aye. Near you okatachi so abu bom ka bia kire Igbo king you go tebra.
What is his name? I learned Dr. Ezie BBB. You are not even, I don't know where you got your doctor title from. Let me tell you, we are a nation of laws. You came into our country. I believe so strongly that every person on the African continent is welcome to our nation for one reason. I am a Pan-Africanist. I believe in the unification of our land as a one people. But until so, when you come to our land, which our forebears fought for, you don't come in and show us disrespect. And when you have shown us disrespect, and the people are calling on you to do the right thing, you don't begin to pull in the hate speech.
Precisely.
That type of hate speech. Then it's a video now. Bring it back and let me speak to him. Say that is xenophobic. So you are trying. Let me speak to him. Now,
Good afternoon. By the special grace of God, I'm the chief of Igbo community in Ghana. Isn't Igbo?
You are not a chief of Igbo. You are the leader of Igbo communities. You are not a chief. Stop calling yourself that. You are not, and you can never be. The Rimosi case is very assertive on that. You are not a chief, because there is no bloodline in Ghana here that you come from as a chief, as a royal. There is no ethnicity in our nation called Igbo. Now, when you happen like that, even when you are dead and gone, you'll be creating chaos between the Igbo communities on our land, because you'll be willing it to your kid. Whereas when it comes to leadership of this nation, it is by election. So don't be calling yourself a chief of this, chief of that. You are a leader of the Igbo community. If they've elected you, shut up and be like that and stop this nonsense.
I had the same story. A lot of people have been calling me, sending me links from Amma Ghana. He's called Amma Observer, and a certain guy also called Nitete. Nitete speaking Ghana, and Amma speaking English. And I've been watching those links people have been sending to me. I ignored them. The reason why I ignored them
see the exhibition of arrogance as if he owns the people. My brother, you don't own anybody in this country. I'm telling you. We love our Igbo brothers, but don't begin to create these kind of divisions and arrogance. It will erupt a bad energy in the Ghanaian people. When it does, there will be tension. And I'm saying to the Interior Minister, if the actions of this guy is going to cause chaos between us and our Igbo brothers, deport him. Let him go to his country. If you have given him citizenship by registry, we can revoke that citizenship and take him to his land. Don't come and create any nonsense between us and our brothers from Nigeria. What is that?
Saying it's never true. How come a blogger will sit down to say that Igbo king in Ghana bribed Ghana Traditional Council for them to indulge?
So let's put it on record. Pause there. Let's put it on record. The Ghana Traditional Council has released a statement. Almost he should stop calling himself like Igbo king. And I think it is in order. Thank you, the Ghana Traditional Council. You go pram for also issue statement. Minister of Interior, deport this guy. Deport him. Because he will create chaos between us and our Igbo brothers. Deport him. Deport him. We want to live in peace with our Nigerian brothers. We want to live in peace with our Yoruba brothers. Whether you are Igbo, whether you are Yoruba, whether you are Hausa, we want to, whether from Warri, wherever you are from, we want to live in peace with our brothers from Nigeria. Don't begin to bring this superiority complex over us. What kind of superiority complex is that?
Diasporan throne in Ghana. How can somebody who say that the Igbo chief in Ghana and all the Igbos are 419, that we used 419 system to bribe the council for them to induct us? First of all, that is a hate speech. Secondly,
okay, so hold on. So you see what he's trying to do. That is a hate speech. So he's trying to incite the brothers, the Nigerian brothers, for them to think that there is Ghanaians raising hate speech. Listen, this guy is a very dangerous character. We can't have him in our nation. He's a very dangerous individual. This is not hate speech. This is you disrespecting the people. This is you being in the face of the people. And the people are calling on you to stop being in their face. Stop imposing yourself on them. And you say it is a hate speech. Who the hell do you think you are? My brother, who the hell do you think you are? You come to our land, and when you are disrespecting us, we tell you that you are disrespecting us, and you say it's a hate speech. Which hate speech? Stop this disrespect. Our forebears fought for the land that we live on. Where were you when our forebears were fighting for our land? And you come in and we are telling you that what you are doing, you create tribal tensions. And you say it is hate speech. Who the hell do you think? What superiority complex are you suffering from? Now let's move on. Let me listen to him.
The entire Igbo community and the entire Nigerians.
No. Nobody is talking about the entire Igbo community. Don't make it about entire Igbo community. Don't make it about entire Nigerians. Make it about you and your arrogance. Make it about you and your superiority complex. Don't rope in entire Igbo community. Don't rope in entire Nigerian community. These antics and theatrics, we've gone past that nonsense. We don't have any problem with any Igbo. We don't have any problem with any Hausa. We don't have any problem with any Yoruba. We don't have any problem with any Nigerian living here legitimately. But you can't come in and begin to suffer from superiority complex and say, I'm the king of Igbo and hate speech. Who the hell do you think you are? We are men. We are not cowards. We are not women. Now move on. Let's listen to you.
She and Tete is saying what they don't know about. Number 4 is a hate speech that can even cause xenophobia.
Okay. You see. Mutaka, I think you must take you. This guy must be deported. Honorable Mutaka, with the greatest of respect, deport this guy. So when he says xenophobia, said he was South Africa. Now this guy is drawing our minds that because we are calling him to order, then it is xenophobia. He's going to cause xenophobia. It is your reaction and the way you are getting in the face of the people that has the tendency of causing xenophobia. You are suffering from superiority complex, my brother. And you better be one. We don't care. Listen, when you come to Ghana, you do what the law says. We are not me, I'm not like Captain Smart who follows the money. It's about the money for. Don't do that nonsense on our lands. We love Igbos. We love Yorubas. We love Nigerians. I have a lot of friends who are Nigerians. Don't begin to use your superiority complex to cause chaos. And it's about you. There's no xenophobia anywhere. It's about you and the way you are behaving.
Exactly. So, tell him in the face.
If you're a leader, be a leader of the Igbo community. If you want to do your own meetings, do so. If at some point you want to do something nice to reintegrate all of them, do so. Don't come in this complex. We are going to build our own kingdom. We are going to build our own school, our own food, our own this. Then somebody was talking about Chinatown. When was the last time Chinese people said, we are going to build our kingdom? If the Yorubas or Igbos want to live in a certain community, peacefully live there. It is your problem. Must you come and shove that in the face of the Ghanaian people? If your brothers want to buy lands and live in the same community, what has that got to do with us? But don't come and shove it in our face with this arrogance that we are going to build and name it after our ancestors. Did your ancestors fight for any land in Ghana? That you want to name roads after them? We named road after Talewa by Balewa because he did something for Ghanaians. What has your ancestor done for Ghanaians? Stop this nonsense. Now let me call on our Nigerian brothers. Ghana you guys should not. Munya, nobody should use this as a means of hating on any Nigerian. Nigerians, as every human being, you find bad people in there. You find good people in there. And because Nigerians have the numbers, their population is very huge. So the likelihood that if you are finding criminals in Nigeria, you will find 10 criminals and find 1 in Ghana is high. because their population is very huge.
Exactly.
So if you meet Nigerians, the same way if you're looking for good people, you'll find good people, 10 good people in Nigeria, and you'll find one good person in Ghana because of numbers.
Exactly.
So nobody should start tagging Nigeria for your criminals. Please, we are one people. Just that this person cannot create any tribalism. Mojaka, please look through his documents and if possible deport him. Let them re-elect somebody else to take over the leadership. Period.
I on the crowd was say Igbo king no from her doctor, onya doctor. A self-imposition of doctorate. And now they are told. Where should they be? But near quite by patches at Ghana, ye jaya. But this month, the first statement or by now 2013, our castle of Obama lands. The security services of Ghana had relaxed. Not knowing the intention of this man. We don't write a nation like that. And then put also a task arsenal. A paragraph also on task arsenal. Who is telling the truth? We shouldn't allow people to take Ghana for granted. Yes, see a hospitable health, but I don't just see a Jimmy. And she said, Igbo for one person, you are welcome. But so by a kingdom, what had the young penny and penny or tonight. Yeah, you kingdom, Mukurum. Now, who has our kingdom? Now, school craft or so baby school. Now, much Igbo for what is wrong with you, man? Take it to Nigeria. Nigeria na Igbo Kroniwo and Ghana. And where to a wise is enough. The security services should be up and doing. Stop this man. Man stopping, I will stop him by all means. I expose GHFM Bruce. Subscribe, share, me too, man. Now it's like a man.
Keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.